Tarsus, housing different kinds of historical and tourist places, and also having many religious structures, is a charming city with scenic beauties. The natural beauty of Mediterranean while pouring into the sea. TARSUS Waterfall. This fall was created about a century ago as a part of flood abatement. It had been formed as a result of changing of the bed of the Tarsus Brook. It's located on the outskirts of the city of Tarsus and over the Bardan regulator. Since the construction of the Bardan regulator, the water of the Tarsus River has been distributed in canals for irrigation, with the result that the waterfall can now be seen only in seasons of very heavy rainfall. The water falling on the rock varies from 3 and 5 meter height. In the period of Romans, this area had been used as a graveyard, and these graveyards had formed during the tiding of the water, and most of them were destroyed. The graves can now be seen from time to time when the water level changes. The waterfalls and the surroundings are the main places that Tarsus citizens go, especially in hot summer days. The water rising in the small lake and the waterfalls have a marvelous view at the sunset time during spring season. The main feature is the high speed of water reaching the waterfalls. This is the reason that keeps the water cold all the time. With the tea houses and restaurants, the place is a complete excursion spot. The scene out there is wonderful and fascinating. Falls are full and magnificent. Haven't you ever gone and seen beautiful place? I strongly recommend you next time to visit that amazing beauty. You should snap at the chance to go. Do not fail to go there.